Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have so many things to share with you all, but before that don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, the things which I have to share with you all, it's gonna be quite fun because everyone love to do these things and especially girls. Yes, you heard it right, that those things are. So yeah, it's all about of shopping. Yes, I shop so many things from H&M, Nykaa Luxury, Bath and Body Works, Miniso and Mr. DIY. So let's quickly get started the video. So my first shopping bag is from H&M and let me show you what I shop from H&M. This red hoodie, like I really love this hoodie. And now the second one, this white hoodie. I love these hoodies so much, like literally they are so good. And lastly, I bought these cute accessories. This is a cute pendant in heart shape and this a giant claw clip, and this perfectly fits into my hair. Now coming to the second bag, which is from Bath and Body Works. I really love their ranges and मैंने काफ़ी सारे इनके products try करे हैं, but मैंने ये जो अभी purchase किया है इस range को, मैंने इससे पहले कभी से try नहीं किया and I genuinely love this so much. So let me show you. So my first product from Bath and Body Works is Breath Deep Aroma Arome, which includes eucalyptus and lavender with vitamin E plus aloe vera. So this one is so good, and in the same variant I have this salt body scrub, and जब भी मैंने purchase किया था then वहाँ पर buy 2 get 1 चल रहा था, तो I bought the same body lotion. Let me show you it. This one is the same body lotion which includes same eucalyptus and lavender, and everything is so good. Like this moisturizer is amazing, like not moisturizer but this one is body lotion. It's my favorite, favorite series ever. अभी तक मैंने जितने भी Bath and Body Works के products try करे हैं, I love this range which is Aroma Arome. So my third shopping bag is from Nykaa Luxury. I bought so many viral products and some good skin tints. So let me show you one by one what I bought. ये जब इसका रिबन भी खोलने लगे कितनी अच्छी फीलिंग आती है यार. एज अ गर्ल आप भी मेरे को बताना कि क्या आपको भी ऐसा फील होता है कि व्हेन यू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम नायका प्यार जैसा हो जाता है ऑनेस्टली. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ फ्रॉम बेनिफिट बैंक बैड गर्ल वॉल्यूमिनाइजिंग मस्कारा. मैंने इस मस्कारा को कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था, बट व्हेन आई ट्राइड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम लव विद दिस ऑनेस्टली. लाइक ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है, इट्स गुड. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड वन, माई फेवरेट, एंड दिस इज माई थर्ड बॉटल विच इज़ Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. This oil makes my hair so good, so manageable, and right now I use this product. And the third one is Clinique Even Better Glow Lightning Reflecting Makeup with SPF 15. Those who are suffering from acne prone skin or a very sensitive skin but you like some light makeup or skin tint, then you can easily go ahead with that. Yeah, there are so many other skin tints. If you feel like this is quite pricey, so you can just opt some another one, but check it out कि वो acne prone skin savior हो. And the third one is my favorite and my most luxury blush, which is from Nude Stick in the shade Poppy Girl. Of course मेरे पास हज़ारों blush रखे हैं, but मुझे फिर भी नए blushes खरीदने होते हैं just because I'm a girl यार. I want to add some more and more colors in my blush variety, so I bought this one. And now the last product is also from Nude Stick. There is a lip balm. सेम लाइन इसके लिए भी बोलूँगी कि मेरे पास हज़ारों लिप बाम रखे हैं बट मुझे फिर भी लिप बाम में इन्वेस्ट करना है. सेम लाइन, जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अ गर्ल. So I want to spend my money from more and more time to buy this nude stick lip balm in the shade Sugar Plum. So yeah, ये सारे मेरे products थे जो मैंने Nykaa Luxury से buy करे. Now get ready for the last one. Now coming to the last bag, it is a combination of Miniso and Mr. DIY. So let me show you what I bought from Miniso and Mr. DIY. So let's start at the video. My first product is from Miniso. Little Gift Sparkle Solid Gel Air Freshener. They claims it lasts long for 45 days. I don't know, but let's give it a try. And now coming to the second product, which is oil absorbing sheet. I saw so many influencers जिनकी बहुत ज़्यादा oily skin होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा greasiness होती है, तो वो इसे अपने oil को clean करने के लिए use करते हैं. So मैंने कभी use नहीं किया है, तो मैं कुछ final review नहीं दूंगी, but let's give it a try. I think जब इतने लोगों ने use किया तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही होएगा. And now coming to the third one, this is a cutter. Like I have to cut so many parcels or so many carton boxes like on every alternate day, so I have to buy this one. And now coming to my most favorite product, like this cute diary. Like I love to add some aesthetic, notebooks or pens in my personal wardrobe for study materials. So yeah, I bought this one. Now coming to the last products which I bought from Mr. DIY. So this cute diary, like this is so cute. Like just look at this. This is amazing. And the last one is that wall clock. मैं निकाल नहीं सकती हूँ उसको क्योंकि वो थोड़ी सी ऊपर है और मेरे पास उस पर चढ़ने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, तो मैंने सिर्फ एक हैंड जेस्चर किया कि येस वो मेरे रूम की वॉल क्लॉक है. सो यस, आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. सो लेट्स डू अ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल विदाउट एनी फेल. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.